how to fix iPhone contacts disappeared or missing. Now, if your iPhone contacts has disappeared or it's missing, we can try to check a couple of options. First of all, open up settings. Once you open up settings, these are the options that you'll find. Then go to the option called iCloud, as you can see here. Then once you come to iCloud, you can try to simply go to the option find contacts and toggle it off. So here you can say save to iCloud, see all. Then here you can simply look for contacts and make sure that this toggle is turned on, because you can select keep on my iPhone as well. Just turn this feature on, as you can see right over here, to merge all of your contacts right here. Now sometimes you might have deleted the contact accidentally. Well, do not worry, you can still restore it. You can restore it by simply going to iCloud.com. So open your Safari browser and just go to this option that says iCloud.com. So I'll just go back here and I'll go to iCloud.com here. Sign into your Apple ID, as you will be able to see right here. So let me just go ahead and sign in. After you sign into your Apple ID, go to the restore contact section over here. So look for data recovery or any sort of options within here. So let me just scroll a couple of steps below. Here you can see data recovery, tap on it. Here you can see the option called restore contacts. So when you tap on it, you'll be able to restore those contacts. So hopefully some of these settings might help you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.